Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can check your profile views on JobToday. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. After that, click on your profile, which is at the bottom of the screen. Then you can see the CV views option. You have to click on that and you can see the last 7 days and the last 90 days. So you can increase your views by having a great CV and applying for jobs. So here will be shown all the profile views and viewers. So it's really helpful to check this information as well. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.